This video tutorial will show you how to search for physical copies or internet copies of books, CDs, or DVDs in OneSearch, the library's new catalog interface. On the library's homepage, you will see a button marked Assistance and Research. Open this link and scroll down to the library's OneSearch box. This box is able to search many of the library's holdings at the same time, including books, articles, ebooks, and more. There are a couple of different ways to limit your searches to only the library's physical collections. Let's begin with a search from the library's OneSearch box. I put my topic in the search box, and OneSearch provides me with thousands of possible records. To get only the library's physical holdings, I choose Held by Library from the limiters on the left-hand side. Notice how the number of results has changed. Now we are only seeing the physical copies held by all Yuba colleges. I can also limit my results to just the materials available online by clicking on the Available Online limiter. Now you can see that all of our results are available online. This completes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact the librarians at Woodland Community College.